Good morning, class 4. I hope everyone is fit and safe. So, today we will revise our second chapter, that is digestion and the role of microbes. Please open chapter number 2, digestion and the role of microbes. Open page number 21 of your books. In this chapter, we read about the types of teeth, the sets of teeth, the digestive system, care of teeth, and about the microbes. Then we also read about the parts of the tooth. Microbes, they can be useful, they can be harmful. Then we read about their functions, how they are harmful to us, how they are useful to us. So I will discuss this chapter with you, means we will revise this chapter. The first topic of this chapter was teeth. We have usually two sets of teeth, temporary and permanent. Temporary teeth, they are also called as milk teeth. They appear when the child is 2.5 years of old. They appear when the child becomes 2.5 years old, and they are 20 in number. Their counting is 20, and they are also known as milk teeth. Next comes your permanent teeth. But when the child becomes 6 years old, these teeth, that is the milk teeth, they start falling down. वो गिरने शुरू हो जाते हैं. And after that, the bigger teeth, they start growing. They are known as the permanent teeth. They appear when the child is 6 years of old. They start growing at that time. And they are 32 in number. Their number is 32. They are bigger in size than the milk teeth. So two types of teeth we have, temporary and permanent. Temporary teeth are also called as milk teeth. They are smaller in size. They appear when the child is of 2.5 years old, and they are 20 in number. Permanent teeth, they appear when the child is 6 years of old. They are 32 in number, and they are bigger in size than the temporary teeth. These are the two sets of teeth. Next is types of teeth. Now, how many types of teeth do we have? We have mainly 5 types of teeth. Incisors, canines, then comes your premolars, and then are the molars. 4 types of teeth do we have. Now, what about incisors? Incisors, they are 8 in number. 4 in the upper jaw, ऊपर वाले part में, and 4 in the lower jaw, and they are used for cutting and biting food. This is their function. They cut and bite food. Next, canines. There are 4 canines, 2 in the lower jaw, 2 on the upper jaw. In the upper jaw, canines, they are present on the sides of the incisors. Incisors के sides पे present होते हैं, and they are very sharp and used for tearing food. So in carnivores, canines, they are very sharp and bigger, that help to tear the flesh. So they are 4 in number. Next comes your premolars. Premolars, they are 8 in numbers. 8 means 4 in the lower jaw, 4 in the upper jaw, and they are broad teeth. थोड़े broad होते हैं, इनका area ज़्यादा होता है. They are next to the canines. Canines के आगे वाले जो हैं, they are premolars, and they help to crush food and chew it. They crush food. They convert food into smaller pieces. Next are the premolars. There are 12 molars in all. हमारे में 12 molars हैं. They are bigger and flatter in size, and with broader surface to chew and grind the food well. They also have broader surface. इनका surface area सबसे ज्यादा है. Out of 12 molars, 8 grow first. 8 पहले grow होते हैं. And 2 on each side of the premolars. Means premolars की each side पे. 2 इधर, 2 इधर. 12 molars, 8 grow first. 4 molars grow later. मीन्स जो प्रीमोलर्स के आगे वाले हैं 2 इधर ग्रो होंगे, 2 इधर ऊपर जॉ में, 4 लोअर जॉ में. तो बाकी 4 दे आर लेफ्ट, they grow later on. So there are how many molars? There are 12 molars. So see the picture. See the picture of your teeth. First 4 incisors. These are the 4 incisors. ऊपर भी 4 है, नीचे भी 4 है. Next to incisors are your canines. जो sharp है, they are canines. ये sharp है दोनों. Same way in the lower jaw also 2 canines. Then next to canines are the premolars. ये next है जो, ये canines के आगे वाले premolars हैं. And next to premolars are your molars. जो next है उनके आगे वाले, they are called as molars. So what do you have to learn over here? Types of teeth, what is their function, and how many they are in a number. कि incisor, number of incisors, number of canines, number of premolars, and number of molars. And but plant eating animals, they have well developed premolars and molars because they need to chew and grind their food a lot. You must have seen the plant eating food like cows, buffaloes, they keep on chewing the food. So they need a lot of time to chew the food. So they have well developed molars and premolars. Molars और premolars उनके well developed होते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें चबाना, जो खाना पड़ता है वो काफी देर चबाना पड़ता है. That is why they have well developed molars and premolars. Next topic is parts of a tooth. A tooth, it has mainly 2 parts, crown and root. Crown and root. Root. Crown, it is the upper part that we can see. White teeth, that is the crown. Root is the lower part. The crown is the part we see, whereas the root is the part inside the gums. जो gums के बीच में होती है. These are the gums, red. जो इनके बीच में part है tooth का, that is called the root. Gums hold the teeth in their place. Our teeth, they are present, they are fixed on their place due to the presence of the gums. If gums are not there, then where our teeth will be fixed? कोई fixation की जगह ही नहीं होगी, so they will not be fixed. Next, the white part on the outside of the tooth is called the enamel. The white part on the outside of the tooth that we see, it is the enamel. जो आपको दिखता है white part, that is called as enamel. See bete, this is the white part that we can see. This is called as enamel. इसे enamel बोलते हैं. Enamel, it is the hardest substance in our body. Then it is the hardest substance in the human body. Below the enamel lies the hard dentine. Enamel के नीचे क्या है? Hard dentine. This is the hard dentine. This part is called dentine, it is also very hard. Inside the dentine lies the pulp. Then comes your pulp. This is the pulp. This is the softest part of the tooth, pulp. It is softest by because it is full of nerves and blood vessels. इसमें पूरी blood vessels और nerves से भरा हुआ है. Blood vessels, they are the thin tubes through which blood flows. And nerves, what are nerves? They are part of the nervous system that take messages to and from the brain. जो brain के पास message लेकर जाती है और brain से message लेकर आती है. That are called the nerves. Next is the pulp forms the central part of the tooth. ये जो pulp है, it is the central part of the tooth. So once again I am repeating the structure of the tooth. The outer white part, it is called as enamel. It is the hardest substance in the human body. Below the enamel lies the hard dentine. Below the enamel there is a hard layer, that is dentine. Then there is a softest part of the tooth, that is called as pulp. This is softest part because it is full of nerves and blood vessels, and it forms the central part of the tooth. Crown and root I have already told you. Crown, it is the upper part. Crown जो है ऊपर वाला part है, that we are able to see, जो हमें दिखता है. And the root, it is fixed in the gums. जो gums में fixed है part, that is called as root. These are the gums, red portion. So this is the structure of the tooth. I hope all have understood the structure of the tooth. Next topic is care of teeth. How can we take care of our teeth? If we are not taking proper care of our teeth, they will fall very soon. बहुत जल्दी गिर जाते हैं हमारे दांत if we are not taking proper care of the teeth. So when we eat tiny bits of food, what happens when we eat tiny bits of food? हम जब खाना खाते हैं, then small pieces of the food, they get stuck in our teeth. वो हमारे दांतों में फंस जाता है. And if we do not brush, then what happens? The germs, they start growing over there in between the teeth, and then they form a yellow color layer over there, that is called as plaque. That is the layer of the germs. एक layer बन जाती है yellow color की, that is called as plaque, and it is a layer of, it is the deposition of the germs. So proper brushing with the toothpaste and water can prevent the plaque formation. So whenever you take your food, after that always brush your teeth. Small pieces of the food, they don't get stuck in the teeth and the plaque is not formed. So today we will read up to here. So your homework is to revise these topics that we have read, and I will ask questions in the query session related to this topic. And please learn, along with it, please learn your question answers. And please send your notebooks for checking to me. And it should be in the PDF. Thank you and have a nice day.